All right, it's day 17 for the puppies. My grandson's gonna help us do some of the chores today. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. But basically, I've already spent time loosening their collars earlier today. We're starting to have to clean the box a few different times. It was 2 times a day, now it's 3. I just want to make sure they're doing okay. And I'm sponge bathing the puppies just a little bit. And I'll hold them up here just for a second. You can see they're getting cuter already. Landon, you still helping me? Alright. I've got to try to keep this to 10 minutes, which that's probably the biggest challenge. Alright, this is Pink Dot. There you go. The first one was just plain red. The next one is got the black collar. Now, Mocha cleans them some, but I'm just helping out. Alright, that was black. He's mad at me now. There you go. Mocha's coming to check things out. And this is Knox. He's the biggest of the puppies. What you doing there, Landon?
I'm making a necklace.
Yeah. Yeah. And there's Knox. That's Knox, that's right.
Yes.
Okay.
What is this?
Well, we raised that so Mocha wouldn't jump in there while we're cleaning it.
Oh!
We can lower it in a second.
Why?
This is the pink puppy. This is female also. And I forgot to set the timer, so. Huh? Go on the other side. No, that's yucky. That's yucky. That's trash, buddy. You're not gonna eat that. Don't you cry. Alright. And this is Spots. It's alright, bud. Come over here, help me. Alright, this is Camo. Can you say hello? Hello? There's Camo. Camo. Alright. This is Blue Dot. You can't eat that vitamin. It's got puppy poo on it. Yuck. Alright. This is Blue Dot. I'm trying to hurry here. Because I've only got 10 minutes. Alright. This is the newest puppy to get a name. Her name's going to be Miley. I wonder where they got that name. There's Miley. Oh, she's one of the smaller females. Okay. And last but not least, we have Ivey. And she is also one of the smaller females. Actually, the couple that picked out Miley really wanted this one, but she's already taken. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to pull out the old bedding. Hopefully I can make it quick. That does that. Now I've got to spray sit down. Just trying to keep it sanitary. So get it. You being nice with those puppies?
Oh, babies.
Yeah? A bunch of babies. This isn't too bad. It does start to get pretty overwhelming when they really start to drink, eat softened puppy food and drink regular water. The last couple of nights, Mocha's been keeping me up, coming into the room and wanting to go outside because her stomach's a little off. And, I'm a little sleep deprived. Alright, well, we got the box changed out. I'm going to just lower this PVC so that Miss Mocha can get back in there. Come on, girl. Come on. Lay down. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Alright, I'm going to give her puppies back. Ooh. There we go. There you go, Mocha. They're kind of piled up in here. I'm gonna have to get a bigger box. Last time we were splitting them between two. I'd like to have just one, because I use it to carry them outside occasionally. Alright, so that is done, and I want to see how much time we have left. I think we're good. There's kind of a reddish tinge because of the heat lamp. I just have it tucked in one corner so that if Mocha is taking a break, it's we're on a slab here, so when the temperatures get around freezing, sometimes it gets pretty cold along the floor, so with the heat lamp over in the one corner, the puppies have an option to crawl over there and sleep in the heat. Hey, that's a change. Camo's in there. I think he's got a nipple. But two of those bigger ones are just waiting to squeeze in. I think I did alright. They got sponged off. The box got wiped out. We got a new towel in the bottom. And while I was starting the video, Mocha was actually off in the other room eating, so I had kind of tricked her into being somewhere else because she gets a little nosy about what I'm doing around her puppies. Alright, well again, that's day 17, and hope everybody's enjoying the videos. We do have 5 reservations so far. 3 specific puppies have already been picked out. The other 2 are kind of open-ended. People will be by later this week.